As a chemistry student, if you are asked to mention two reactants which will react to produce hydrogen gas, what would you answer? I suppose that you'd mention a metal like zinc and an acid like hydrochloric acid or tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Well, this is because in our lesson on the chemical properties of acids, you learned that metals can react with acids to give off hydrogen gas. In this lesson, we will learn how this knowledge can be put to use in the laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas. Although there are different methods of preparing hydrogen gas in the laboratory, we will discuss only one of them for now. This method involves the reaction between a metal and a dilute acid that was mentioned earlier. The diagram here shows a laboratory setup that can be used for the preparation of hydrogen gas. Inside the flat bottom flask is a piece of zinc. If a dilute solution of hydrochloric acid is added to the zinc through the funnel, the zinc atoms react with the acid to liberate hydrogen gas as shown in the chemical equation here. This reaction is possible because zinc is above hydrogen in the electrochemical series. So it has the ability to displace hydrogen from the dilute acid solution. As seen here, the hydrogen gas that is generated in the flask passes through a delivery tube and is collected over water at the top of the gas jar. Hydrogen gas is collected over water because it is relatively insoluble in water, so it can easily be collected through the downward displacement of water. If hydrochloric acid is not available, tetraoxosulfate 6 acid can be used in place of hydrochloric acid for the preparation of the gas. But note that trioxonitrate 5 acid cannot be used because it is a strong oxidizing acid and does not react with zinc to produce hydrogen gas. It will react with zinc to produce nitrogen 4 oxide instead. We will discuss other methods of preparing hydrogen gas in the laboratory in subsequent lessons. For now, let's do a summary of what we have discussed so far. Hydrogen gas can be prepared in the laboratory by the reaction of zinc with an acid solution. Trioxonitrate 5 acid cannot be used because it is a strong oxidizing acid. Hydrogen gas is collected over water because it is relatively insoluble in water. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. In the next one, we will discuss other methods of preparation of hydrogen gas. I'll see you then.